Hello, I'm Gerald, the CEO of Steambow, and this is a very special video for us because we are entering the market of high-end optics. This is our first product in this market. It's a Red-Dot-Sight. Quality-wise, it's absolutely top-notch. It's a closed frame Red-Dot-Sight, and the reason why we have that is a little bit special, and I have to tell a little bit of our company history to understand why we have this high-quality optic now in our product range. Steambow is not a company that's standing alone, but we are part of a company group. The center of this company group is BEB Fertigungscenter here in Margarethen-am-Moos in Austria, and this company is a contract manufacturing business. It was founded by the company owner Harald Josicki, and he is not only a great entrepreneur, but he's also very interested in side projects. And when you approach him with a very good idea, and if he likes you, and of course the idea and the business plan behind it, there is a high chance that he helps you found the company, and that's the reason Steambow was founded. I had the idea of this self-cocking, high-pressure, air-driven crossbow, approached Harald, and together we founded Steambow. And I'm not the only one that had this favor. There's also Opus Firearms, which are designing a very high-end sports pistol. You have also Powerflux, which are doing a special power plant. It's a buoy that you can put into a river, and it constantly produces electrical power. And then you have Zero Compromise Optic. And Zero Compromise Optic, I think they're now on the market for like 5 years, is a top-notch manufacturer of high-end rifle optics, rifle scopes. If you want to shoot at very long distance, a mile or two, then Zero Compromise Optic is your go-to choice if money doesn't matter, because of course they are top-notch quality and of course also very expensive. They are sought after by precision rifle shooters, by sport shooters, by snipers, military and police. So whenever you want to go really long range, Zero Compromise is your choice. And the engineers of Zero Compromise Optic designed a Red-Dot-Sight for us. It's meant to be competitive with the top-notch brands in the red dot world, and usually those products sell for like $500 to $600 US. So it's a very high-end product, and the main benefits are first that it's parallax-free. So wherever you look through it, it will not change your point of impact. It's made from aircraft-grade aluminum, 7075 alloy, almost indestructible. It's hard anodized. You have very good optical throughput. It has a 2 minute of angle red dot, which allows for very precise shooting, and it's also designed to be able to use on any kind of weapon. Yeah? It's able to withstand 1,500 Gs of vibrations, of acceleration. So that should be possible on a 50 BMG, on a high-powered sniper rifle, or on a crossbow. It is supplied with a Acro 2 interface, yeah, so you can mount it directly to InPoint's Acro interfaces, and we also supply, price is included in the price, a steel Picatinny adapter so that you can mount our Red-Dot-Sight also on Picatinny rails. Although it is really designed for real firearms, you can use it on our crossbows. The PD5 would be the prime example of a crossbow where it fits perfectly on it. Not only is the design very aggressive and nice and really helps the overall look of the PD5, but the PD5 also has a side rail where you can change the angle. This is one of the biggest differences between a super cheap entry-level paintball, airsoft-grade Red-Dot-Sight like this one we have in our portfolio, and a high-end rifles-grade, firearms-grade Red-Dot-Sight. With a gun barrel, there is not too much adjustment that you have to do on the 100 or 200 meters. That's the maximum that this is used. So the adjustment range is very little in this Red-Dot-Sight. On the other hand, the mechanism is super robust and very accurate, so you can go back and forth without any loss of accuracy. This, on the other hand, allows a very wide adjustment range, but is, on the other hand, very inaccurate, especially regarding parallax. On the PD5, this is no problem, as you can adjust the angle of the rail. On most firearms, it's not relevant. And on the M10, of course, you can also change the rail in the front. You would do that by adding a shim under the Picatinny rail, or using some kind of ramp under the Picatinny rail to get an offset, to get an angle into it. And we are also working on a quick exchange system where you can change the angle with just a thumb screw. I think that's the most important features and facts about the product. Of course, we will talk a lot of it in the next couple of months. It's here to stay. It's now part of our standard portfolio. And I'm very much looking forward to your feedback. And I hope you have much fun, as always, with our products, and now also with our high-end Steambow Red-Dot SB1x20. Thank you very much, and I wish you now a great day.